Look into the eyes of every creature.
Have you ever wondered if animals' eyes get worse as they age, just like humans? It turns out this is a lot more interesting than you might think. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of animal vision and exploring how different species see the world and what happens to their eyes over time. Humans often struggle with vision problems as they grow older. Conditions like nearsightedness, farsightedness, cataracts, and macular degeneration are common. But do animals experience anything similar? Well, the answer is yes and no. It depends a lot on the species, their lifestyle, and how much they rely on their vision for survival. Let's start with household pets. Cats, for example, are known for their incredible night vision. Their large pupils and special retinal cells allow them to see in very low light. But as they age, some cats develop cloudy lenses, similar to cataracts in humans. Dogs, on the other hand, might not see colors as vividly as we do, but they are masters at detecting motion. Older dogs can also develop eye problems, but many adapt because their brains process motion and light differently. Now, moving to wild animals, we see something fascinating. Many wild animals rely heavily on sight to survive. A cheetah, for instance, needs perfect vision to spot prey from long distances. Evolution has shaped their eyes to stay sharp, even into old age. In the wild, vision decline could mean the difference between life and death, so animals often have natural protections built into their eyes. Elephants are an interesting case. Surprisingly, they have relatively poor eyesight compared to humans, but they compensate with incredible hearing, smell, and memory. Even if their vision isn't perfect, elephants navigate vast landscapes, recognize friends and family, and detect danger with remarkable skill. This shows that nature often balances weaknesses in one sense with strengths in others. Some of the most impressive eyes in the animal kingdom belong to birds of prey. Eagles and hawks, for example, can see 4 to 5 times farther than humans. They can spot a rabbit from hundreds of meters in the air. Even if their eyes age slightly, their sharp vision remains a major survival tool. Nature ensures that their eyes stay extremely efficient for hunting, despite the aging process. But aging isn't always a huge problem. Many animals have adaptations that protect their eyes. For instance, some turtles and reptiles have special oils and membranes that prevent clouding as they get older. Certain fish have incredible vision underwater that changes very little with age. And let's not forget bats and dolphins who use echolocation. They don't rely entirely on eyesight, so changes in vision aren't as impactful. Interestingly, even when animals do experience vision decline, they find ways to adapt. They rely more on smell, hearing, movement detection, and social cues. Older animals are still highly capable because evolution designed their senses to complement each other. So while humans might need reading glasses or cataract surgery as they age, animals often continue thriving with a combination of their remaining senses and their adaptations. From the wise old elephant to the sharp-eyed eagle, nature has an incredible way of balancing the weaknesses in one sense with strengths in others. If you enjoyed learning about animal vision, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Which animal's eyes would you love to see up close? And next time you look at your pet, remember, there's an entire world of sight happening that we humans can hardly imagine.